Enjoy this LEGO Build Dried Flowers Centerpiece video, which shows the assembly of the pieces in bag 5 out of 7 bags in this gorgeous LEGO centerpiece. The rest of the family of videos featuring this LEGO Dried Flowers Centerpiece build from the LEGO Centerpiece Botanical Collection are linked in the description. And thanks a bunch for clicking the subscribe button and browsing my mixed media art tutorials and other creative offerings here at Creative Solace Studios. This fast-paced video is set in real time, and there's a related video of the same LEGO dried flower centerpiece that's time-lapsed and even more speedy. Have fun watching this fall decor Thanksgiving centerpiece DIY that's constructed out of none other than Legos. Be sure to check out the following video to see what happens next after this segment is created. Thanks for hanging out with me as I'm in the middle of this big Lego centerpiece project, which happens to be my very first Lego build. As I'm putting the big green leaf that looks like a hand on, I'm noticing that although it's supposed to be positioned facing downwards, when I put the similar green leaf on the previous segment, I made it cupped upwards. Which way do you like better? I think I might leave them both like open hands with the palms faced up. Leave a comment and let me know what you think.